Heather had like 500 friends, or no, like she had like 20 friends, and they did like a Amazing Race or something. My parents put this whole thing together, and they had to go around all of Sterling, like hidden places that like they hid his kids, and like doing things.
Hi!
It was pretty cool, but it wasn't like a party. It was just like a get together thing. Are you actually collecting this?
Buddies.
I can just give you this, right?
Are you coming?
It's got all the history.
Are you coming?
What time is it?
7.
7.
You take that one. Alright. I don't know if I like this, Megan.
I'm so boring. See, I'm not boring. We're gonna record it. You sure?
Yes. Thank you, Akash.
Are you, hey, are you ready for the 401?